Hi everybody, this is the video for Light Waves lesson 1.3. This video is really for if you're at home and you are having trouble, you can watch this video and I walk through the steps. Also, you will see now in whenever we have a simulation activity or we have a hands-on, I will have a video linked for you from Amplify that goes through the different sections, but I will show you in my video how to do it so you can do it on your own. So we're going to use the new light wave simulation today. And we're going to open it using simple mode. We also keep in mind the investigation question of the lesson is why can light cause materials to change? So we're going to look at different materials and see if light makes them change. So we're going to open up the simulation. It looks like this. Then we are going to choose a material and drag it to a platform in the testing area. So this is, you can either choose one or two, but choose the same one for each time. So I'm going to start out with the leaf or the plant material. We're going to keep sun as a light source, and then we will inspect to see the effect of the light material. And then we're going to see if light from the sun causes the material to change. So let's make sure sun is on, turn it on, and then click inspect. And we will see if anything happens. So here's before and after. I can see damage. I can also see after caused photosynthesis, and I can see that it warmed up. So these are all changes that happen to the plant from the sun. So then when I come down here, I would bold plant because plant does change from the sun. So then you're going to place different materials in the testing area until you find at least one material that is changed by the light from the sun and one that is not. So you will try all of these and see bold which ones do change and then leave the ones that don't change unbolded. And then again, here is a link if you are having trouble with the simulation. So in this one, you'll bold all of the ones that change from the sun, and then down here, bold the ones that do not change. Move on to page 2. And you're going to investigate two materials a little bit more in depth. So we are going to choose a material that is changed by light from the sun and place it in the testing area. So I already have plant there, and plant does change, so I'll leave plant there. Keep sun on, and now we're going to do show energy and observe what happens to the energy. And show energy is right here. Then you observe what happens and repeat these steps with a material that does not change from the sun, and then you're going to compare them. So look at what happens to the plant, something that is getting changed by the sun, and then whichever material you found that does not change, put it there and see what happens to the energy there. In this last step, you're basically going to do the same thing, just with genetic material. Show energy, and then inspect what happens and answer the questions. And that's it for this lesson.